What's going on? Today we're going to be removing and replacing the door latch for the Maytag Quiet Series 100 dishwasher. There are 12 screws. It's a Torx bit 20, so it's a T20. See if I can get it out. T20. I already went ahead and removed the screws, so let's get to it. So pretty much what I did, I used the same tool as a prop to hold it. Now, this is the door latch. The screws that holds it is right there. At this point, it's pretty much loose. It just wiggles out. You're gonna have to remove those two clips right here, which is snap in. So they're very tight. You just gotta pretty much wiggle it out. If you have to replace the control module, it's in here. There's those two screws right there and that one. So the lid comes out. For that plug right here, there's a little latch. You push it towards the machine, that comes out, the little tape. For that one, there are clips, push-in clips for this one, I believe that one, but I'm not 100% sure, but I know these two are. That one is just pushed there by pressure, pretty much wiggle it out, just like these two. So let me pause it and install the new one. So new one's already installed. Pretty much plug it back in. On mine, I'm having issue as for getting the machine to get into cycling. Upon further inspection, see if it shows up, that looks like it's melted and broken. So that could be the problem, the issue for my machine not going to cycling. All it does is just fills up with water and that's it, and then turns off. So I'm gonna finish it up, bolt it up back in, just put everything in reverse order, put the 12 bolts, and don't forget to flip the breaker on, which you should have done it to turn it off to get to it. All right, one thing when installing the bolts, this is coming from a guy that works on cars, and I have that pretty much drill in my brain. I like to put one in one corner there and the other one on the other side, opposite corner, then work on this one and then work on that one, and then go across and install it that way. Do not Hulk smash the screws, because you will break the plastic. And I'm gonna end the video. It's already 3 minutes long. I don't want to keep talking about it, so until the next one.